And we are back. 6 games down, 2 more games to go before we call it a day mula dito sa loob ng Brent Zigyao Convention Center dito po sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. As we take a look at the Tasmanian Devil himself, that is si Jay Delfino at kanyang makakatapat sa backcourt mula dito sa Zamboanga ESA, Kelvin Tangilul. This is going to be a terrific backcourt matchup para dito sa gabing ito. Our final game of the 23 under dito sa ating SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. Ito po ang bakbakan ng Pampanga Delta kontra sa Zamboanga ESA. Magandang gabi po muli, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. Alvin Tañada together with Coach Paul Joven, and working the sidelines for this matchup is Kim Advincula. Pero bago mo na lahat, Coach Paul, ito na ang huli, laro natin sa elimination round.
Exactly. Again, mahayong gabi, kaninyong katanan. Good evening to all of you. We have a beautiful boy game today. Yun na nga, a heavily loaded Pampanga Delta. But ito, ang pride ng Mindanao natin, Zamboanga ESA. You have Lakaya and Randolph Lacchio, who has been on our 21 under before, has been the mythical 5. So expect, this is his first game, Alvin.
Yes.
Expect Philippines na at all over the world, makikita nyo yung pinag-usapan namin all day, all tournament long. Ito si Randolph Lacchio.
Yes, Randolph Lacchio. Hindi nga nakapaglaro in the first 2 games. As we take a look first at the lineup of the Pampanga Delta squad. Grabe. From top to bottom, grabe yung laro na yan. But one name that is not there in the lineup is Den Pineda. Den Pineda, syempre, pag narinig mo yung Pineda, dahil sa pamilya ng mga Pineda yan, syempre, of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Of course, alam mo naman natin yung mga pamilya talaga ni Gov Delta, mga anak, basketball talaga. Kasi pag anak pa lang, yun na yung gusto ni Gov
Syempre, mahal na mahal niya yan. As we now take a look now at the roster of Zamboanga ESA. Ito naman yung lineup nila. And you were saying Randolph Lacchio. Pero even though Randolph Lacchio was not playing in the first 2 games, it was Kevin Tangilul handling everything for this Zamboanga ESA squad.
Yes, and of course, on the scoring naman, itong Eljan Lakaya. Ito yung 6-man nila sa Rojas, under 21 Vanguards. But expect him to be a scorer with Randolph Lacchio as his point guard.
At ngayon, nakalatag na yung ating mga laro ngayon. Coming up, it's Pampanga Delta going up against Zamboanga ESA for the 23 under here in your SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
And center number 4, Kelvin Santos. Pampanga Delta is led by Coach Pepe Duyeg, assistant coaches Toto Marquez, ISL Santos, Jay Shera, and team consultant Mr. Patrick Dimatula, team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Game official charge in action. Jong Panayat.
And we start the tip off here at center court. It's Santos Roque, Kiambao, Ferreras, and Miklat starting off dito para sa mga nakaputi na Pampanga Delta. Para naman dito sa koponan ng Zamboanga, they will start off with Fuentes. They will start off with Galope also there. And then also Pampilo. And ito si Kevin Tangilul. And you were saying about this player, Randolph Lacchio will be starting his first game of the tournament. And very important itong game na to, Coach, because again, pinag-uusapan natin dito, with the win earlier of Familia DC, must win ito para sa koponan ng Zamboanga.
Oh, they need really to win if they want to play on our finals. It was just a knockout game. Top 2 lang tayo after the round of elimination.
Yes, oo, yun nga. Possible. Pag nanalo itong Zamboanga, ito na yung scenario dyan. If Zamboanga wins, it's a triple tie at 2-1. Pero if Pampanga Delta wins, then it will set up a date on Sunday for a Pampanga Delta kontra Familia DC matchup in that main game on Sunday.
Exactly. So, you know, that's the gravity of this game. Hindi natin alam bakit si CJ Delfino is not starting here for Pampanga Delta.
Yes, oo, pero again, itong lineup nila, anything can still happen here dito. But one player that will not be playing here in this matchup kasi hindi mo na pinaglaro in this matchup kaya nga pinalitan ito ni Den Pineda is Justin. We have to double check the name pero hindi nga raw maglalaro. It's Justin Bautista will not be playing here in this ball game.
Okay. Let's check mamaya baka injury ba or personal.
It's a
coach's decision.
Yes.
Okay. Again, Pampanga started sloppy basketball here.
Pampilo with a 3 and it's good.
Oh no, 2-3. When in doubt, shoot. A strong start now for Zamboanga ESA. Again, mayong gabi kaninyong tanan dira sa Zamboangas Peninsula, Zamboanga del Norte,
Zamboanga del Sur.
Zamboanga del Sur.
Zamboanga City ba? Ayan, Zamboanga City.
And of course, their team owner nanonood dyan for the very first time dyan sa bench, Eza Hambali.
Yes, oo. Yung team owner nila was here also in the opening day.
Yes, sa opening. Pero sa laro medyo may, mga business siguro.
Business yan. Kaya
pero ngayon, he's here.
He's back here.
He's back here to really support as Roque. Yun yung gusto ko eh. Yes, he was open on the 3-point shot, but you need a point. So, doon na tayo sa mas easier. This is the shaded area. Ang laki naman kasi niya.
Fuentes now. The shot, no good. Rebounded by Carlo Ferreras. Ferreras running the break. Ferreras inside to Miklat. Miklat, no good. Rebounded. Kevin Santos, the Letra Knight, scoring inside.
Iba na rin after I've covered this guy maybe 2 years ago, a year ago. Gumaling na rin eh.
Ito, kita mo tong si Kevin Santos. Siya, 3-pointer there. Randolph Lacchio, sabi niya, Coach Paul, di kita ipapahiya.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Randolph Lacchio for you. When in doubt, shoot there. Ito kasi si Randolph Lacchio, this is a scoring point guard eh. He knows when to shoot. He knows kung kailangan. But this time, he's playing a 2-guard here for Zamboanga ESA.
Ito yung kanyang katandem na si Kevin Tangilul. Kita ko agad yung mata nitong Kevin Tangilul looking for that 3-point shooter at the corner. Dalawang corner 3-pointer agad para dito kay Randolph Lacchio.
As you can take a look at this replay. When in doubt, shoot. It's so nice. We need to say it twice.
Lakas stress of the quarter na natin sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of Sinag Giga Asia. Time out on the floor.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
CDO Food Sphere, food that brings you home.
Manalo matalo ay okay lang sa amin dahil sumali din kami dito para mag-gain ng experience and also to widen their opportunity as said by Coach Saldi Realiza ng Zamboanga ESA. Dagdag niya pa na kahit na malakas ang kalaban, gagawin nila ang lahat para manalo. Excited na din siya dahil maglalaro na din ang isa sa kanyang top scorer na si Randolph Lacchio. Now that's all. Back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much. That was Kim Advincula, our courtside reporter. At excited din naman si Coach, no? Finally, nandyan na yung isa sa mga top guns niya.
Sabi nga ni team owner, team manager, Boss Eza Hambali, sayang lang daw last game. Again, we cannot repeat the past. Let's
move forward.
Move forward, concentrate on this game. At itong Pampanga Delta, pag magkumpiyansa sila, may paglalagyan sila sa team ni Boss Eza Hambali. Itong Zamboanga ESA.
At yung last drive of the quarter na natin sa inyo, CDO Food Sphere, food that brings you home. si Jay Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil.
Alam mo, baka nakalimutan ng Pampanga Delta yung 11th commandment ni Coach Paul Hoben. Thou shall not kumpiyansa.
Yan, kumpiyansa.
Alam mo, pagbigyan mo ng kumpiyansa to, ito, ang kulang ng talaga ng Mindanao is yung makita line. But
Yon,
ang
totoo.
daming liga doon.
Marami ring mga manlalaro na mga galing dyan sa Mindanao, di ba? When talking about Zamboanga, the likes of Mark Baroka, Mike Tolomia, ang dami, PJ Simon,
Hotel.
Oo, yan, Notel. Pero tingnan natin yung lakas play of the quarter nila natin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, commercial outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia. At yun nga, maraming mga taga Mindanao, di ba? Mga scorer talaga.
Oh, and then, there's a good debate nga Who has more good players? Cebu or Pampanga? Kasi ang daming galing talaga sa Pro Rocks, galing dyan
Yun, kaya nga sinabi, well, there was one coverage that me and the Enzo were doing. And then sinabi niya na, when we talk about a Philippine basketball, saan nagmumula mga maraming magagaling na players, ang sabi niya, mula Pampanga. I corrected him from that. If we're talking about not the Philippines, we're talking about Luzon, Pampanga. Nandiyan ang mga magagaling. Pero when we're talking about Visayas and Mindanao region, Cebu is number 1 on that list.
Oo.
Kaya ngayon talaga yung tamang tanong the greatest debate, which lineup will be able to compete against each other? Will it be the Pampanga 5 of Baltazar, Arvin Santos, Enzo Serrano, lots of players from Pampanga, or against that Cebu squad of Slaughter, Pajardo, and other players from Cebu, Dondon Ontiveros?
Oh, dami kasi Even Coach Lay, one time nandun kami sa Rojas, we talk about that. Sabi niya, alam mo, that's a good debate kasi in my time, it's either Pampanga talaga at Cebu
Yun lang naman talaga. Siyempre hindi rin naman magpapahuli yung ibang mga lugar, pero talagang it's Pampanga kontra Cebu. Yan talaga yan.
The stats won't lie
Ang daming mga manlalaro kasi talagang pag sinabi mong ganyan, pag galing ka Cebu, di ba sabi nila, John Mar, Greg Slaughter, Dondon Ontiveros.
Yes.
Yung mga pangalang lumalabas dyan, Junti Valenzuela, Jimwell Torion.
The 7-time MVP, Junmar Fajardo. Kabats ko yan naglaro ng Cebu
Yun
Shout out the Kraken. Again, sayang Turnover yon. Hindi nakita ni Pompilo 4 lang sila.
Eto ngayon, Guarino in the ball game here. Inside pass and extra pass to Medina. No good. Hindi. Yun nga yung pinag-uusapan natin, Coach Paul. If we're talking about the Visayas region, that is, itong ang lugar ng Cebu. If we're talking about Mindanao, Zamboanga naman yan di ba?
Zamboanga na Davao, Cagayan, marami dyan. Just a good stop there for Zamboanga ESA. So far, the problem now for Pampanga Delta, nahihirapan sila dito. Early on to the game, yung 2-3 zone
They're forcing their way kasi masyadong 2-3 zone, sige, naka 2-3 zone. Try natin sa ilalim. Ang problema, yung depensa naman itong Zamboanga, pinagandaan nila kung paano madedepensahan yung opensa ng Pampanga when they set the 2-3 zone.
Yeah, exactly. But, sigurado Coach Saldi Realiza, nag-scout ito for this team. Ang kulang talaga na Pampanga Delta, there's no secret, is the outside shot. Sharik.
Ito Medina inside. And kapag gumano naman yung outside shooting kasi nitong Pampanga Delta, like the likes of Ferreras, Roque, mahirap din kalaban ito. Pero pag nagmimimintis naman itong kupunan ng Pampanga Delta, medyo lamang naman itong Zamboanga.
Oo. As Lacchio on the shaded area, that is his only 8th point of our first quarter.
Kita mo yun 8 points para dito kay Randolph Lacchio. And malaking bagay din na hindi nila nakitang maglaro ito in the first 2 games.
Exactly, Kasi mahirapan ka mag-scout It will be a game time adjustment. But kung sinong nakakover ni Randolph Lacchio, alam mo, kaya nga nasali siya sa ating Mythical 5 noong 21 under.
Let's take a look at this lakas drive of the quarter natin sa inyo ng CDO Food Spear Food that brings you home. And Randolph Lacchio, tingnan natin yan, what adjustment, because this guy ito si Tangilol. Siya yung bumubuhat nung mga first 2 games na wala. Itong si Randolph Lacchio.
Oo.
CJ Delfino, binitbit ang bola.
Well, talking about downhill, CJ Delfino, one of our best here in our 23 under.
Yes. Ang pinag-usapan mo point guard dito sa Pampanga, isa yan, si CJ Delfino sa pinag-usapan.
They also won the 21 under national championship.
And syempre, siya rin yung naging MVP nung nakaraang Delta Cup ng mga taga-Pampanga.
Oo.
And we got to cover that. And they will have to review that. Pero,
Kitang-kita natin, Alvin.
yan. Pero, syempre, officially, they have to look at that, syempre.
Yes, but clearly Randolph Lacchio, for some, it may be a revelation. But for us, kitang-kita natin.
Tingnan natin dito. Ito, Randolph Lacchio, 0.7, 0.6, 0.4. And it is already off his hands. That is a basket for Randolph Lacchio. And Randolph Lacchio now with a total of 10 points to start off the first quarter of play. Kaya nga po lamang itong Zamboanga ESA ng 8, 21-13.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Maging uhaw sa panalo, yan ang sabi ni Coach Pepe Duyag ng Pampanga Delta. Magiging agresibo sila at gagawin ng fast-paced games to dominate tonight's match. Dagdag niya pa na sana swertihin sila sa bola ngayon para makapasok sa semifinals. Now, back to you, Coach Alvin and Coach Paul.
Thank you very much, Francine.
Pag ina namang game to ni Francine, parang kulang siya ng energy. Painumin natin ng kape.
And we start off the second quarter of action here. And again, Coach Paul Joven has said it at the start. Randolph Lacchio is a player to watch out for and he has performed well now. 10 points already.
Pero yun na nga hindi siya naglaro ng 2 game. So yung mga coaches hindi alam.
Hindi siya scouted. So let's see if anything will or something will happen here. Pero kita mo nagmimimintis dito. And for Pampanga Delta, they have been shooting 0 of 4 from 3-point distance. And mababa rin yung kanila shooting percentage. Uy!
What a pass there by Lacchio.
Pero na ano yan, that's a foul. Sabi ni Randolph, foul yun. That's a clear one. You can see that Randolph Lacchio, simple lang maglaro. Di ba? Pero mahaba. Di ba?
Mahaba yung kamay
Mahaba. Now let's see first this last foul. Very clear there. Yun yun. Naiwan kasi ni Carlo Ferreras. Itong si Randolph Lacchio. Sunny is still with a 3, no good. Now the question will, what adjustments will Pampanga Delta do here?
Yun na nga Again, outside shot has been the weakness, the Achilles heel of the Pampanga Delta. So kailangan talaga pasukin nila as yun, perfect example.
Easy, yun. Yun naman ang lamang nitong Pampanga Delta dahil matagal na silang magkakakilala.
Yes, exactly.
Alam nila kung saan pwesto yung mga kampi nila. Kumbaga, pwede mo nang itira, ipapasa mo pa para mas mapaganda sa mga kampi mo.
Pampanga Delta now having a man-to-man zone, but itong si Lacchio may stay home na Hindi na umalis
Oo,
yung
pero,
tao, guarded by CJ Delfino.
And you can see here, mas pinipwersa na ngayon sa ilalim with a twin tower combination of Santos and Estil. Now in the ball game, now you put Jun Roque at your 3-man. So, and then Ferreras at your 2, as Puentes inside. No one. Where is Kevin Santos and Sunny Estil there?
You know, Fuentes, it's a second coming of Alvin Teng, the RoboCop. Kitang-kita mo yung paa, kitang-kita mo yung katawan. Oh, what a steal there by Lacchio.
Tangilol and Lacchio! Rewarding. Itong si Tangilol. And a very proud Paul Joven representing the Visayas Mindanao region.
Alam mo, you could clearly see how you know, how they play. That trust, umangat lahat ng mga player nung naglaro na. Ito si Randolph Lacchio.
And at the cast play of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asia. Hey, we have a timeout on the floor.
Ako si Lancer Gan from Tigas Kapampangan. Tutok lang kayo sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Don't forget to like and share our Facebook and Instagram page at Sinag Liga Asia. And don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channel, Sinag Liga TV.
Again, Alvin, let's talk about what's the meaning of this game for the other two teams.
Yes,
Like, siyempre,
Anthony, for the one team.
Yeah, one team, di ba?
Kasi si NYBL Boss League has been already
wala na.
officially all eliminated. So again, a win here for Zamboanga. Ooh! Chase down block there by Kevin Santos. Again, a win here by Pampanga Delta assures a finals matchup between Familia DC kontra Pampanga Delta. That will be it. But if Zamboanga ESA wins this ball game, then we will have a triple tie and we will go through the point differential, the quotient system.
yeah, let's talk about Kevin Santos. Parang
Natanggal ata yun sa sapatos lang.
hindi parang he was checking his Achilles Tignan natin on this
Tingnan natin.
replay. The way he landed,
Baba niya. Uy! Medyo
yung landing
yung
niya.
landing niya ng tapilok. Pero ang ginawa niya dito, tinanggal mo na niya yung sapatos and then hinihigpitan na niya eh. Pero pag upo niya, ang ginawa niya kagad, tinanggal niya yung sapatos niya. Tinatry niya ang itali na maigi. And I think he's okay. Ito mo ipapagpag lang niya. Sabi niya, okay lang ako. Pero precautionary to para sa ating medics.
Again, kailangan din i-check Again, talking about the importance of this game.
Yes, dahil
Kahit anong mangyari for Pampanga Delta, pasok na sila.
yes, yun nga, papasok na sila. The question is, will it, yung point differential kasi.
Ang question is, sino papasok sa top 2 natin?
Yun, kasi, again, in case of a triple tie, malaki pa rin yung tsansa ng nitong Zamboanga ESA, even though they were defeated by Familia DC, because that's their only chance to get into the finals, win this ball game, and force a triple tie.
Exactly. A 5-out motion now for Zamboanga ESA. Oh, good cut there by Fuentes.
Fuentes, sabi mo nga, parang RoboCop. The Alvin Teng move inside.
The Alvin Teng of our Sinag Liga Junior World Showcase 23 under.
And now, let's see how things will go here. Bugarin inside is still no good. Fast break na naman, dinadaan sa takbuhan ng Zamboanga dahil yung mga big men nitong kapunan ng Pampanga Delta is hindi nakakahabol agad
Again, there's a narrative kasi pag mga Mindanao daw mahihina. I'm so sorry to say hindi na po. Ang daming ng magagaling sa Davao, sa Cagayan. No,
Mga gwardya, yun
kasi,
talaga.
Kasi normally kasi, but before we talk about that,
Let's take
Alvin.
of course, this assist of the quarter hatid sa inyo ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
yung narrative, yung mga magagaling bata pa kinukuha na sa Manila kasi better offer. Yes, totoo yun. We understand that. But because of good coaches who's now in Mindanao, who's now in Cagayan, in Davao, the players, alam mo parang hinihintay na lang isa pro
Oo, yun nga. Marami rin naman mga manlalaro na nandyan Hindi na nga nakakakit ng mga sikat na colleges in the UAP and the NCAA. Pero pagdating nila dito sa pro level, even some are playing in the MPBL, di ba mga ganyan?
Oo, dami.
Marami naglalaro dyan. Tapos biglang nakikita nila, ay meron palang ganitong klaseng manlalaro, no?
Amen, amen.
Now they go to the post here. Galope. Step back, no good. Domingo, no good still. And they come down running. Nunag, Joseph Nunag there. Roque, the pass to Pereras. Pereras, the shooter that he is. And don't leave him wide open.
Pereras, that's a good shot Good patience. No need to rush one dribble on the side. Yun pala yung first time na may 3 points. Itong Pampanga Delta, Pampilo.
Oh, Pampilo moving in. The pass here. And it goes out.
Clearly, a careless catch there by Galope.
Tingnan natin ulit yung nice pass ng dalawang former Altas. Now, about to turn night. As that naka-shot of the quarter sa inyo, CDO Food Spear, food that brings you home. These two players know themselves, know each other very well. Ferreras and Roque. 3 ball, no good for Delfino. Balik kay Ferreras ang bola. Ferreras, top of the key 3. He is now feeling it.
Ferreras, 2 out of 2 so far. They need to man this guy, same as Lacchio on the other end, guarded heavily by CJ Delfino.
29-25, baba sa 4 ang Kalamangan.
Oh, this guy could score. This guy could score. Yun yung sabi ko kay Coach Saldi Realiza, the head coach of Zamboanga, Esa Alvin eh. Noon kasi 2 years ago, pang perimeter lang to sila kaya. But right now, matik na sa kanya yung 3 points eh. High percentage.
Lumayo ng konti.
Exactly.
Those are some of the things na kailangan talaga matutunan ng isang manlalaro. Perimeter shots, go further kasi magko-close out sa iyan. So,
exactly.
Kung iisipin nilang hindi mo kaya yung 3 points, sige, hayaan ka namin tumira. Pero they better respect the shooting of not just nitong sila kaya, but I think everyone here in Zamboanga, ESA, dahil lahat ng mga nanonood dito nagugulat na usually nakikita nila si Pampanga Delta Squad ang medyo lamang dito. Pero dito, lamang ng 7 puntos ng Zamboanga ESA. And another steal here. That's Randolph Lacchio scores.
Randolph Lacchio now has 12 points, 4 out of 5 from the field.
And now Ferreras, well defended now. Balik kay Carlo, wide open. That's too strong on the 3. Delfino with the rebound. CJ. Kung titignan mo, no, itong ilan sa mga malalaro na to, lahat ito pupunta ng letra like Delfino, Roque, Ferreras, and oh, nice stop.
Wow!
Scores.
What a play there. A smart play by Lacchio.
Utak eh. Sabi niya, sige, tatapikin ko na lang to. And balik na naman sa 11 ang Kalamangan dito. Carlo Ferreras, teardrop, wala. And we have to see that on replay once again, Coach Paul. Ang ganda ng smart play na yon. Let's take a look at this play. Once again, that forward pass, masyadong malakas. Ginawa ni Lacchio, tinapik niya, at nakita niya doon.
Sayang, nawala yung camera, but again, it's so nice. We need to see it twice. That's smart na eh. Hindi mo yung matuturo eh.
Oo. Utak na yan eh. Utak.
Yes. Ferreras.
Eto, tingnan natin one more time. Eto yun eh. Ganda nung takbo. Lacchio, oops, sabi niya, nandiyan ka Carlo. Tapik natin, ibabalik ko ulit. Pasa, mayroon akong trailer, and Lakaya scores.
It's so nice. We need to see it thrice.
3 times.
Ganda.
Third time's the charm. Ika nga, no?
Oo.
Lakaya, no good. Dahil nandun yung depensa ni Lumba.
Again, kanina kasi slowly but surely the momentum of Pampanga pumunta na sa kanila. But every time there's an answer, and it's either Lakaya or Randolph Lacchio. And I'm talking about Pampanga, si Ferreras lang talaga.
Yes, Ferreras.
Who will answer that? Hindi pwedeng isa lang eh. It's a game of basketball, a team game.
And dito na nila nami-miss yung laro ni Justin Bautista, who is not here in this ball game. Pampilo with the 3, that is short, and that's a shot clock violation.
Good defense that time for Pampanga Delta. That's the first time I've seen them really play good defense, disciplined one. As you can see, Coach Saldi Realiza, pinakapanangga ng President Manuel Rojas, Municipality ng under Zamboanga del Norte yon. Ferreras again. Ferreras scores!
11 puntos na si Carlo Ferreras. And one missing factor here is Kevin Santos. 17 points average here in the tournament with 7 rebounds. Only 2 points here. And June Roque, 12 points. 6 points pa lang dito sa ating first half. Fuentes And good, look at the defense there. Pampilo, dinidepensahan nito ni Carlo Ferreras. Pampilo. Huy! Nakawala sa depensa ni Carlo Ferreras.
Oo, dukot na dukot yun. As Pampilo, one of their pesky defenders now for Zamboanga Esa. Kitang-kita mo sa bench, Boss Esa Hambali, very happy of his team.
Who would not be very happy with that? Not just Boss Esa, pero yung mga taga-Zamboanga, masayang-masaya yan sa tinatakbo nila dito as we end our second quarter of play. It is not an error. Yung makikita nyo po sa screen. It is right. It is an 8-point lead para sa Zamboanga Esa kontra dito sa Pampanga Delta. And it is because of players such as Randolph Lacchio, Kevin Tangilul, and itong si player number 4, Eljan Lakaya. Those three guys have been leading the charge for Zamboanga Esa as they take an 8-point lead entering halftime.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Kalma lang tayo! Lamang tayo ng isa! There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin.
Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Team Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Ako si Underdog ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
What is up mga kasinag? Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asia at nandito po tayo ngayon.
You're still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. Now, before we move on to our second half, I am beside the team owner of SS Zamboanga, Sir Esna Hambali from Zamboanga del Norte. Now, first of all po, sir, thank you po sa pagsama sa akin sa interview. Now, my question is, we heard na since last year pa po kayo nagpre-prepare and this is your first time to compete outside Zamboanga and internationally po. Now, how's your experience been so far?
We felt very nervous actually, but because this is the first time that we play here nationwide and at the same time internationally. So we are so happy to the chairman of the SLA that we are given the chance to be part of the SLA Junior World Showcase here in Pampanga, Philippines.
Now, may gusto pa po ba kayong pasalamatan o batiyan sa mga nanonood?
I would like to thank our major sponsor, Sir JJ Halos-Hos, and to myself actually because we are only two major sponsors in our team.
Now, that's it for our second halftime interview. Now, back to you, Coach Paul and Coach Alvin.
Thank you very much. That was Kim at Vicula together with team owner ng Zamboanga si Boss Esa mismo, di ba? So, let's take a look at some of the halftime highlights here, 38-30 our score. Alvin Tanyara together with Coach Paul Hoven.
And of course, shout out then to Mayor Jed Kimbo of Municipality of Labason. Yun na nga, and also one of the supporter of Boss Esa Hambali. Yun. Si JJ Halos-Hos. Because of them, all things are possible. As Zamboanga Esa surprisingly leading against the juggernaut team. The heavily loaded team.
Alam mo, nasabi namin, kami mga taga-Luzon na sorpresa sa performance nito.
Yes, amen.
If there is one man that is not surprised with this, that is you, Mr. Paul Hoven.
Oo, kasi nakita ko to eh. Mga bata to, 21 under pa lang eh. You know, at that time, there were just 19, 20. So, imagine mo, every year, they're improving. And with this kind of showcase that we have, gumagaling eh. And again, talking about halftime stats, field goal percentage, medyo hindi naman kalayuan eh. But it's all about turnovers. Zamboanga Esa just has 7 turnovers compared to, alam mo, uncharacteristics to Alvin for Pampanga Delta eh. 11.
11. Yun nga yung tinitingnan ko ngayon dito. Turnover-wise, nagulat. At 3 doon sa turnovers na dyan sa 11 na yan, galing kay Sunny Steele. Alam nila kung paano depensahan ito si Sunny Steele
And
mula
then,
sa ilalim.
Yep, exactly. And then one of the departments na tingnan natin, Zamboanga ESA, 14 points from turnovers compared to Pampanga Delta, 8 lang. So imagine mo, sa 4 turnovers na discrepancy, 6 points was scored, and no wonder they're leading by 8.
And now let's take a look at the leading scorers. The wonder boy of Zamboanga ESA, Randolph Lacchio. Welcome to Manila. Welcome to Luzon. Welcome to Pampanga. Lahat na yan. Randolph Lacchio with 12 points. Eljan Lacaya with 7. Exuel Fuentes and Kerry Domingo with 4 apiece. Carlo Ferreras leading the way with 11 points dito. As we take a look at the fans here, dito sa loob ng Brenzigiao Convention Center, all the fans here, they are surprised, syempre, with what's happening here. And syempre, mga fans na yan, syempre, inaabangan din nila, syempre, yung laro natin later on, the final game of the 19 under matchup. Apalit I Love It kontra Luwid 1 Kapampangan. A lot of interesting. And syempre, yung mga fans na yan, syempre, sabi nga nila, ang pinunta nila dito para makita si Paul Joven.
Sana all.
Sana all. And right now, syempre, family and friends are here watching all throughout the province of Pampanga. And again, a special thanks to Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa inyong Sinag Ligasya. And syempre, a hats off to our big bosses. Syempre, Chairman Rocky Chan, President CEO Mr. Ray Alaw, COO Coach Leo Isaac, syempre our hardworking commissioner, the slasher Coach Rodney Santos, and syempre international Vice President for International Affairs Mr. Eric Quintana, and syempre our Commissioner for the South, Mr. Paul Joven, syempre.
Maraming salamat po. Again, parang bahay na to ng Sinag Ligasya itong Pampanga eh. Alam mo?
At home na?
Oo, alam mo, we've been calling here almost 3 years in counting. As Randolph Lacchio again, starting very aggressive. I like what Coach Saldi Realiza did earlier on that second quarter. Mga 2 minutes pinahinga niya. That's the first time. Imagine mo, out of 16 minutes sa first half, Randolph Lacchio played, syempre, nabawasan na, around 18 minutes.
Yes, 18. So, yun nga. So, ito si Randolph Lacchio. A lot will be expected from him. But again, they have to step up. And this guy has to step up. The MVP of the Delta Cup dito sa Pampanga, CJ Delfino. And they, remember, this guy went berserk in that finals between Level Up Lubao and Apalit I Love It. So, kailangan lumabas na naman ang pagiging Tasmanian Devil ni CJ Delfino. And this guy is also one of those kailangan pubuhos. And Sunny is still one key player that needs to step up once again. Sunny is still with Kevin Santos injured here. As we take a look at this naka-stress of the quarter atin sa inyo ng Sun Sport, an official basketball of Sinag Ligasya.
Again, the problem for Pampanga Delta earlier in the first half, they have a hard time on getting on that 1-2-2, 2-2-3 zone. Kanina, CJ Delfino, pumasok yung tres. One of the zone busters talaga. Yung binibigay is the outside shot. So if, Pampanga, Royce, Delta, if they can't really solve the 2-3 zone, baka mahirapan silang manalo dito.
And now the lead has been cut down to 3. Now for Zamboanga naman, hindi naman pwedeng hayaan din nila na basta-basta makalapit itong koponan ng Pampanga and get their rhythm going, di ba?
Exactly.
Sunny is still now. The pass, the drive, Lumba scores, and now the lead has been cut down to 1.
Lumba, kapapasok ko lang, automatic agad eh. Yun yung mga importante. One of the keys of winning the game. All the intangibles, kung sino papasok, kailangan mag-produce eh. Hindi kailangan sa opensa, but sa depensa din.
It is an 8-1 run as we started off the half 38-30 hour score, pero 8-1 run, Coach Paul.
Exactly. Again, nangangatok na po itong Pampanga Delta. And no wonder in our Sinag Ligasya, they have always been a threat to a, kung gusto mo mag-champion, you could always talk about this team.
Yes, Pampanga Delta atop of that list lagi, no? Not just here in Sinag Liga Asia, but in all the leagues na nilalaroan nila.
Exactly.
Pampanga will always be at the top of that conversation of championship contenders.
Exactly.
Oo, syempre with the lineup such as, kumbaga, doon sa pro team nga nila, di ba? You have Justin Baltasar, you have Lervin Flores, you have Encho Serrano. Tapos dito naman, you do have Sunny Estil, you have John Roque, you have Carl Fernandez, you have CJ Delfino. And right now, they are on top now by 1.
And this is the first time Pampanga Delta is leading since the very start of the game.
10-1 run now for the Pampanga Delta.
Clearly, they're having that stay-home defense of Randolph Lacchio. They want to shut down this guy. They understand that everything is happening on the offensive side. Start with Randolph Lacchio.
As you take a look at that Sunny Estil jumper, and Sunny Estil needs to step up as Kevin Santos is not to be seen on the floor, but they're on top by 1, 40-39. Timeout. Zamboanga.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Cable Link and Holdings Corporation, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang support ng Kevin Tangelul. Silent here in this ball game, only 2 points on 1 of 8 shooting. But again, this man, nagminintis na. Ito si Randolph Lacchio.
Exactly, closely guarded, medyo malamig na. But he needs to be patient with this game. Just need to create more opportunities for that guy.
Ito, susubok ulit. And finally, hitting a 3. Ito si Fuentes.
Fuentes, the RoboCop of our Sinag Liga Asia. When in doubt, shoot.
Yun, tama nga. So, right now, balik na naman ang lamang dito sa Zamboanga ESA. Lacchio, the pass, the 3. No good. Rebound by June Roque. CJ. Delfino.
Ooh, that is his game, Alvin. That going downhill, open lane, it's very hard to stop this guy. CJ Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil of Pampanga.
Yes, the Tasmanian Devil, not just of Pampanga, but the entire northern Luzon.
Oo.
Ayan, ha? Lumba. Substitution now here. Palitan pa rin ang tao. Carl Ferreras will step out. Medina will have to check in. And still, no Kevin Santos. Kevin Santos limping off the floor.
Siguro hindi na siguro kailangan i-push eh. Again, may championship pa this Sunday. If ever, they will...
And Lakaya there. Unsportsmanlike foul yun. It's not going for the ball.
Tingnan natin, is it inadvertently or was he really...
But they will have to review that. But I guess that's a right call. That's the right call. Let's take a look at that. So, nahulog na sila kaya. Hinabol. Pagkahabol, ang hinabol niya kasi paa. That is the right call for that. It's Pao Nakindanum. So, I think the call will stick. I think that call will stick. That's an unsportsmanlike foul. mabigat din yun. Kasi
personal foul yun.
Personal foul. And ang mabigat kasi doon, Coach Paul, is syempre, you're not going after the ball. Dapat, ito paano if he just let it go, di ba? At least, hindi na dapat yun when we can say that, hindi na dapat yun matawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul. But
pero ito easy layup na yun 2 points na yun.
Easy 2 points na lang And you're giving away 2 points, free 2 points here. And in addition to that, ball possession pa dito.
Exactly.
And ito naman, nakikita natin dito. Ayun, si Coach hindi masaya dito.
Oo. Slowly their lead was gone. Pampanga Delta is leading at 1 point.
Yes. Pampanga Delta, or rather, Zamboanga ESA was on top by as much as 12. Now, they are on top by 4. Ano kaya ang napag-usapan nila doon sa dugout during that time? Kasi ang haba nilang oras nila doon sa loob, di ba?
Oo, nag-usap-usap talaga yan.
Zamboanga was there already shooting around. Sila wala pa.
Oo. Again, CJ Delfino now starting to walk out from the outside.
John Roque, no good. And rebounded here. The shot still no good para dito kay Lakindanum. Lakaya now getting the ball. And dito yung problema. If you already know how to defend.
Medyo malamig na itong si Randolph Lacchio.
Oo, dahil yung first half, hindi nila alam paano laruin ito si Randolph Lacchio. And I think, yun yung isang pinag-usapan nila at the half, talking about the Pampanga Delta squad.
Yeah, but it was an open shot, Alvin. Hindi lang talaga pumasok.
Eto ngayon, subok ulit. Tangelo naman sumubok. And Kevin says, ako na muna.
Oo. When in doubt, shoot there for Rando. Or, excuse me, I stand corrected. Tangelo pala.
Kevin.
Hindi pwede si Lacchio lang at saka sila kaya.
Yes.
Angelo has been a revelation on that first game.
Yes. Not just in the first game, but the entire 2 games na nilaro nila dito. Now, he needs to step up once again.
Exactly.
2 minutes and 23 remaining. June Roque, lalabas muna. Joshua Miklat, papasok dito. Together with Carlo Ferreras replacing ito si Delfino. And player number 19 has entered the ball game. Then Pineda. Ito na, nasa loob na ng floor. Ito, the son of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is in the floor right now.
Ian Miklat has been very silent the whole game. Without Kevin Santos, he needs to step up.
2 minutes remaining. Kevin Santos not even there on the bench of Pampanga Delta.
Mga nag-ice na yun.
Dahil nga yun sa kanyang nangyari sa kanyang angle. Nice pass and the basket there.
What a pass there by Randolph Lacchio. Good read by number 29 of Zamboanga.
Si Arbia.
Esa Abria Ivo from Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte.
And he will shoot the bonus here para tumabla. Susubukan niya tumabla dito with this bonus charity and he does. At tabla na tayo sa 48. Right now, Coach Paul, punta muna tayo saglit. Silipin lang natin yung mga naglalaro ngayon. 44-41 na lamang itong Max Davao kontra Lasha Dubai in the 17 under. And also, isa pang 17 under natin, they are about to start the third quarter. 34-28 lamang ang Canada Phil Hoops kontra dito sa Familia DC.
Again, earlier, a bad foul there on Lakaya. Never fouled a jump shooter as Pineda was clearly fouled there on that corner shot.
Ito, Den Pineda. Let's see. First free throw for Den is no good. Den, the second one. Still no good for Den. 0 of 2. Malamig-lamig pa.
In and out eh.
Third free throw now for Den. And he makes it. 1 out of 3 from the free throw line.
Yun pa. Yung trabaho niya, he needs to stop Randolph Lacchio.
Yun yung trabaho niya ngayon eh, no? Tangilul. Money!
When in doubt, shoot!
And yun nga yung ginagawa dito ni Kelvin Tangilul. Tahimik ng first half. Now he's scoring inside. And Joshua Miklat scoring. Tabla na naman tayo sa 51. Tangilul. If in the first quarter, it was the Randolph Lacchio show. Second quarter, it was the Lakaya show.
It's still a Randolph Lacchio show there. What a pass again. He's now been a passer. Nung first half, Alvin, he was a scorer. Right now, he's playing unselfish basketball.
Yes, and that is... he has already 7 assists here.
Wow.
In this ball game. And again, a foul there. Meaning 2 free throws for Carlo Ferreras. Carlo strong on that shot. Ikaw kasi pag more of a 3-point shooter ka, like example Carlo Ferreras, Paul Joven, mamalakas ang pulso niya sa press eh.
Pag last 2 minutes lang yung shooting natin, clutch tayo eh. Again, it's a season battle here for both teams. But ito yung gandang i-cover eh.
Fuentes na 3. And again, para po sa kalaman ng lahat, hindi po ito hindi naman po ito non-bearing eh. May bearing po itong game na to.
Especially
for both
for
squads.
Yep,
especially for Zamboanga.
Zamboanga, yes, exactly. Again, may point differential dapat siguro. Even, I think, plus 13, 15, I'm not sure. Tanungin natin si Coach Leo Isaac.
Actually, I asked him earlier and he will be giving it to us later on, possibly. Siguro in the next game, malalaman natin kung sinong 1 and 2. If Zamboanga Esa goes on to win, but there's a coach's challenge here. So they want to see kanino ba yung last touch nung possession na yun. So a coach's challenge for Zamboanga Esa. Let's see. What the possession says it is Pampanga Roy's basketball, according to our referees. But Coach Zaldi says it otherwise. Let's see what is the official call on the challenge. And upon review, challenge is unsuccessful. So let's take a look at that one more time. That's the block. It's a clear one, and there you go. That's kitang-kita naman. Last touch on Fuentes. That will mean possession for Pampanga Roy's with 14 seconds remaining. Carlo. The pass. Wide open. Andun yung depensa agad. Balikin Carlo. Carlo, long bomb. That is money.
I like what Pineda did. No need to rush. Yes, he was a bit open, but alam niya itong si Ferreras is a gunslinger. And so far, 3 out of 3 from that guy.
And almost a steal completed, but not. Pineda wide open. Money! 3!
When in doubt, shoot!
And what a way to close out the quarter on 3-point shots. Sinimulan ni Carlo Ferreras, tinapos ni Den Pineda as ito nga ang kumpunan ng Pampanga Roy's. Let's take a look at the quarter highlights here. Well, CJ Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil, doing wonders here. But Kelvin Tangilul says, my time is now. And this matchup that we said earlier, yun yung talagang nagpapakita dito sa third quarter. Delfino kontra Tangilul. But we will end the third quarter with the Pampanga Delta on top, 58-53. Expect an exciting end to this matchup sa ating pagbabalik.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Randolph Lacchio, known as a man of steel in Zamboanga Esa. Wala siya sa first 2 games ng team dahil due to the reason that his jersey is not yet ready. Pero kahit na nakakaramdam ng kaba at alam niya na malakas ang kalaban, babawi naman siya sa offense and defense. Now back to you, Coach Paul and Coach Alvin.
Thank you very much, Kim. And yun na nga, bumabawi nga sa depensa at sa opensa. 7 assists for Randolph Lacchio. Together with 3 steals and 3 rebounds. Intangibles na hindi puro opensa.
Again, it was closely guarded on the third quarter by CJ Delfino. Stay home na nga eh. Gusto na nga asawahin eh. Dahil na sa bahay eh.
Iuwi sa Pampanga, no?
Oo. Ito naman si Randolph Lacchio. You all know, we all know this guy is from Dapitan City. All the way from Mindanao.
The question is, sino kaya mag-uuwi dito? Iuwi ba ni Delfino to si Lacchio sa Lubao? O iuwi ba ni Lacchio sa Zamboanga as? Eto, Jun Roque naman, nakascore na rin dito.
Oh, good defense by Ferreras that time against Randolph Lacchio.
And Jun Roque, tahimik na 10 puntos dito sa laro. Again, he is our MVP of the Born 2001. Bugarin, the one-hander, doesn't go in, and lots of the other players have been struggling here. And I believe ito si Santos will not be coming back. No, he's not here in the bench anymore.
Yeah, no need to, again, hindi kailangan eh.
The drive here, and there's a foul. So Bugarin will be shooting the free throws.
As you can see, our lakas steal of a quarter. Hatid sa atin, Winzins Cafe playing without the ball, playing on the passing lane.
Grabe ito si Jun Roque. Pinapakita naman niya that he is worth being named as MVP. Yes.
Of course. May pride yan eh.
Oo.
And alam niya, with this heavy loaded, as Coach Saldi Realiza, napaisip, napatingin, anong kailangan kong gawin.
Pampilo, the second free throw is good.
Still a 1-2-2 zone shown here by Zamboanga Esa.
Ooh! Nice there.
Good help defense there.
Jun Roque, the 3, that's money!
As what you said earlier, Alvin, a quiet 13-point here for the MVP of Born 2001.
Eto ngayon, Sunny Estill gets the ball. Carlos says, slow down tayo ng konti, pero wide open yung kanyang partner sa left side. Pero labas muna natin. As the fans are starting to build up here for this much-awaited matchup between two Pampanga squads later on for the 19 under.
Oh, good pass there, Pampilo to Lacchio.
Kaya andun yung depensa ni Carlo Ferreras. Balik kay Pampilo. Pampilo, one-on-one against Bugarin. That's a nice matchup also.
Just a bad shot there. You need really to give the ball to Randolph Lacchio kasi nga, so far, maganda naman yung ginagawa niya. He's scoring, he's passing.
Ito scorer, Jun Roque, but that's a miss. Lacchio, sidestep. Ooh, nice block there by Jun Roque. Balik kay Tangilul, siya naman ang kumasa ng 3. Wala, rebounded by Jun Roque.
Zamboanga now, Esa has been missing shots. Ay, sila kaya. Papasok na yan. Roque against a 2-3 zone.
And the foul is called there. It's Jun Roque. Let's take a look at that play once again. This lakas block of the quarter ay atid sa inyo ng 0107 Management Group Incorporated saying access denied. Ika nga, no ID, no entry.
Matik yan.
Jun Roque makes the first free throw to go.
Again, mayang gabi. Yeah, good evening. Antipolo Hills Subdivision, TJ, Boy, Brian, Regal Babies ng Hills, Matthew at Joseph, ingatan nyo ng mga babies ni Mora Alawa. Yung mga aso.
Siyempre, nakita ko nga kanina yung post na namimiss na nila yung kanilang fur babies. Di ba? That's a backcourt violation daw, sabi ng ating referees.
Another turnover now. Kailangan ng gumising na Zamboanga Esa. Slowly this game is chipping away. It's now the biggest lead for Pampanga Delta at 8.
And now, a 3 ball. No good. Look at Jun Roque. Tumalon eh.
But itong Randolph Lacchio.
Randolph Lacchio.
Leaking out on the other end. First point here on the second half for Randolph Lacchio.
Oo. Ngayon, tingnan natin. Still moving inside. Still, that is a travel.
Another stop now. Zamboanga ESA. Plenty of basketball to play. They need really, dahan-dahan lang. No need to rush. Just a 6-point lead now by Pampanga Delta.
Ayun yung lakas pass break na yun of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Winzin Cafe. And that was a shot there by Randolph Lacchio.
Nunag.
Ngayon, Nunag inside.
Ooh!
Access denied there.
The help defense of Zamboanga ESA has been very superb.
And Jun Roque once again.
Good read there by Roque. Moving without the ball. Kitang-kita niya. Nandun yung bola sa short corner. Good drive.
Iwan niya. Itong lakas move of the quarter na natin sa inyo ng cable link. And Jun Roque, tahimik ng first half dahil it was the Carlo Ferreira show in the first half. In the second half, it is now the Jun Roque show. So the two former Altas turning night performing well here in the ball game.
Exactly. Again, who will answer the call now for Zamboanga ESA? Only the high man here, Randolph Lacchio, with 15 points, 6 out of 9 from the field. He needs more touches.
Oo, wala na si Tangilul. Biglang nanahimik din dito after doing well in that third quarter rather. Domingo. Pass. The shot there. And that is good. Para Lakaya.
Oh, good three-pointer there by Lakaya. Medyo umatras tong si Pineda. Just a 6-point lead now.
And now, Delfino moving in. CJ. The pass. Kiambao naman susubok, no good. Rebounded by Tangilul. They go down running. Lakaya, another three!
1, 2, 3 for Lakaya. 2 out of 2 from here on the fourth and last quarter. When in doubt, shoot.
And that cuts down the lead to 3 with 5 minutes and 20 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Taking a look at Mayor Jun Tetanco, ang mayor ng Palit, Pampanga. And grabe ang suporta ni Mayor Jun Tetanco. Kasama ang ating chairman na si Mr. Rocky Chan. And Mayor Jun Tetanco, isa yan sa mga hard basketball fan dito sa Pampanga. And grabe naman yung kanyang suporta dito sa kanyang koponan. Palit, I love it.
Good cut there by Nunag.
Pero kung titingnan mo, Coach Paul, itong lineup na to ng Apalit later on, yung assistant coaches nila, star-studded din eh. You have Encho Serrano and Justin Baltazar there.
Oh, kahapon nanood yun ha. Hindi ko lang alam ngayon, but kahapon, kitang-kita natin, they were there. Alam mo yung naaambag nila, the wisdom, the knowledge, importante yun eh, for the up-and-coming players of Pampanga as Nunag making his second one. Again, shout out mayong gabi nila from Baybay Leyte, FCIC Batch 92, all the way from Baybay Leyte. Galing yan kay our president, Ray Alaw. Oh, good defense there by Ferreras and Pineda.
Yun yung naman nadadala nito ni Carlo Ferreras. Again, Carlo Ferreras, not just known as a shooter, not just known as a scorer, but he is also a defensive guard. Ito he is the backup shooting guard ni Jello Razon dyan sa Perpetual Altas. And kaya kapag nalalabas na itong si Jello Razon, it's like the same player when you have the like of Carlo Ferreras, and that's a shot clock violation there.
Oh, sayang eh. Ito si Delfino, hindi niya sinabihan eh. No? Again, as a point guard, that's your job to remind all of your teammates na sa shot clock.
Yun nga eh. Masyado na-pressure din siguro itong Pampanga dahil nakita nga nila ang depensa dumidikit na naman eh.
Oh, high 1-2-2 zone as Lakaya snaking there against Roque. Oh, good defense there.
Good rebound and the stick back, and that cuts down the lead once again to 2.
Domingo. Ito yung gusto natin, palaban, hindi aayaw. Clearly a foul there from the back for Randolph Lacchio. Again, happy birthday din to Melanie and Glenn Alaw.
Alam mo, daming mga pabati, no? Dahil yung mga yan yung mga all-out na sumusuporta sa ating liga. And that is how much they love basketball. As Ben Pineda hitting a 3-ball.
Pineda now has 2 3-pointers here in our second half, and that is crucial when the momentum starting to go to Zamboanga. Fuentes against Nunag. Clearly a foul there on Nunag. Itong si Fuentes, Alvin ha. And malapad. Marunong maglaro. Marunong gamitin yung katawan.
Tingnan natin yung 3-point shot na yan. And dahil napakasaya ni Francine Capili dito sa 3-point shot na yan, nakastress na yan, atin sa inyo ng Sun Sport. Grabe. Ito nga, magic bunot eh, no? Then Pineda, 7 points already in the ballgame.
Yeah, yun yung importante. Always be ready. When your name is called, hindi yan nakalaro the whole first half. But when his name is called, he's there to deliver.
Fuentes missing the shot. Now, Ferreras. The 3 by June Roque, no good. And they come down running here. 3 minutes and 47. Lacchio inside. And Domingo scores.
Para pang may foul yun eh. No?
May konting nudge, pero again, the referees are letting the players play.
Oh, piniki eh.
Yun nga lang. Natawagan ng foul. Penalty pa man din itong Zamboanga.
Yun lang.
Let's take a look at that one more time. At yung lakas move of the quarter na natin sa inyo ng Cable Link and Holdings Corporation.
Walang foul pala.
Wow, wala. Parang dito kasi sa tingin natin meron eh. Pero dito sa side na to, June Roque was fouled. And because Zamboanga is now in the penalty, lahat ng fouls nitong Zamboanga will lead to free throws. At dito, susubukan i-capitalize.
Uncharacteristic there for Roque, missing 1 of his 2 free throws.
Fuentes, balik dito. Lakaya the 3. That's short.
Oh, good challenge there by Roque. Alam niya kasing Lakaya can shoot it anywhere. Good read.
Oh, there.
In-extend eh.
Oo, tama. Offensive foul yun. Alam mo yung sabi, talagang hinahanap nila yung open spot dito ni Den Pineda.
Galing na mga referee natin eh. May mga FIBA referee tayo dito. International.
Oh, international, local, regional.
Oh, that's a good call there.
Fuentes now gets the ball. Lakaya. Dribbling it. Lakaya moving inside. Lumapit muna. Pero mintis pa rin. Rebounded here. And the shot still no good. June Roque.
Hindi pinasa niya kay Randolph Lacchio. Sayang eh.
June Roque with 11 rebounds already. A double-double performance for June Roque. But that pass too strong. Papunta dito kay Den Pineda. As Abria checks out of the ball game now. Now this is, ito na yung 5 talaga ni Coach Zaldi dito sa floor na to. These are your top 5 player, top top 5 players right now.
Oh, that's a good shot there. An open one. Just a bad miss. An uncharacteristic for Tandilul.
And now Jun Roque. Jun says, let me take care of this. Pero nahuli ni Fuentes. And Lacchio all the way. Whoa! Masyadong malakas.
Oo, hindi mo balik yung...
Oo, hindi gumulong eh, napapasok. Ang tawag ko doon, yung pectus mo, masyadong malakas. Niluwa, tingnan natin ulit on the replay. All alone, it goes in, but masyadong malakas nilabas.
Alam mo, yun yung mga shot na hindi ka nakakatulog eh.
Alam mo yung mamaya, pagka uwi mo sa hotel, parang...
Of course, iisipin mo yun eh. Imagine mo, it's just a 4-point swing. Diba?
And Carlo Ferreras making 2 of 2.
Instead of a lead of 1, lamang pa sila ngayon ng 5.
As we are about to enter the twilight zone here. The last 2 minutes of the 4th quarter. And this is where it's starting to get a little smaller of a chance para sa Zamboanga. Esa. Again, what's on store here? Zamboanga wins. Then we will have a triple tie at the top. And if Pampanga Royce wins, automatic na po. Familia DC will be going up against this Pampanga Delta squad.
Exactly. On our championship.
Yes. At ang number 1 supporter ngayon ng Pampanga Delta, si Familia DC. Siyempre gusto nila, huwag nang dumaan.
Yeah, sila yung papasok, siyempre.
Oo. Siyempre, isipin nila, huwag na tayo dumaan sa quotient system. Let's just go to battle on Sunday. First free throw is good for Carlo. The second one is good. And I was speaking earlier, sabi ko nga sa'yo, itong dalawang former Altas turned Knight have played well. This ball game, Nakaya gets the rebound and the score.
Zamboanga Esa still not giving up. The team of Boss Esa Hambale.
90 seconds remaining and CJ says, let's give it to our MVP. Jun Roque inside.
Just a bad pass here by Roque. High risk yun. High reward ng mga pasa. Hindi kailangan lamang kayo eh.
Dapat ingat lang. Fuentes comes back in. 11 seconds on the shot clock. The pass to Carlo. Carlo fakes it. Carlo moving in. That shot too strong. Di mo alam kung too strong or too soft eh, no?
Oo.
Fuentes ngayon. Inside. Fuentes scores!
What a strong move there by Fuentes. Kitang-kita mo talaga. Binangga niya daw. Itong si Ester. He may be tall, but itong si Fuentes more stronger, more wider.
And now, under a minute left, 3-point lead, a 1-possession game. Estil, 1-on-1 against Fuentes. Estil scores!
Yung pride ni Estil eh. Sunny Estil, nakikita mo talaga, gustong makabawi agad eh.
Gis puntos na para kay Sunny Estil. And who needs Kevin Santos when you have Sunny Estil?
What a good defense there by Ferreras. Kay Lakaya.
And now the Pampanga Delta squad will sue for time. And we will stay on the air right now. It's a 5-point lead. And we'll try to check on the other games first. Dito sa inyong SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. 11 seconds remaining in that game over at Bacolor Mini Convention Center. Itong last shot, Dubai on top by 10 against Max Davao. That game was brought to you by dalayan nila Enzo Galarosa and Coach Pancho Alfonso. And ito namang sa laro sa FEU San Fernando Gym, lamang ng 8 ang Phil Hoops kontra Familia DC in that matchup. And Ryan Paro and Coach Ernest Alao on the call there as Fuentes drive inside. Bumawi naman. Ito si Sunny Estil with his own basket. So back-to-back inside score by the big men of their respective squads. 30 seconds remaining, 5-point lead. Zamboanga. Oh, leaving Carlo Ferreras wide open. And why have you left that shooter wide open?
Again, what a good read there on that snake pick and roll by Ferreras. Again, Ferreras, the most steady player here for Pampanga Delta. Although he's not, he did start here for the Delta.
Yeah, he started for this squad.
He has 21 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists.
Ito, tinan natin muna yung lakas moment of the quarter na natin sa inyo ng Converge. Dahil di sa Converge, doble na, binoble pa Carlo Ferreras. Hitting the basket, 21 points nga sa kanya, 6 rebounds, 5 assists. June Roque, 18 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists. Grabe ang performance nitong dalawang to. And that is without Kevin Santos.
Oh, na-injury yun nung, I believe that was on second quarter.
Yes. On that chase down block, ha? Yung nangyari na yun.
Oh, ganda naman talaga ng block din eh.
And for Zamboanga, Esa, what can we say about the squad? They gave it the scare dito sa Pampanga Delta.
Yeah, they gave it all.
Domingo, the pass here. Fuentes, and that's a traveling violation. But what can we say more about this squad? Hats off to this entire coaching staff led by Coach Zaldi.
Yeah, Coach Zaldi Realiza has been, preparing his player. Hindi umatras. They were leading the whole game until the fourth quarter. As Randolph Lacchio, Lakaya, and Tangelol muntika ng tinalo itong a heavily loaded Pampanga Delta.
And with that win, Pampanga Delta sets up a date with Familia DC SLA International in our 23 under division. And again, our final score, 79-72 in this win. But again, hats off to Zamboanga Esa for this performance. And right now, naantay lang natin na maging, I think, si Kim Advincula is ready with our Sinag Best Players of the Game. Wala iba, kundi si June Roque and Carlo Ferreras.
I am now beside the two Sinag Best Player of the Game from Pampanga Delta. Now, first is Carlo Ferreira with 21 points, 6 rebounds, and 5 assists. Now, my question is, on the first half, nakita namin na lamang ang kalaban, pero on the second half ay nakahabol kayo. Now, ano yung nag-push sa'yo para mapanalo mo ngayon?
Sabi ko sa mga teammates ko na huwag na nating isipin yung first half. Back to zero ulit tayo sa second half para, ayun, sabi ko sa kanila mag-focus lang sila. Kasi no first half, out of focus kami lahat. So yun, kinausap ko lang talaga sila para i-motivate sila at saka ayusin nila yung laro nila.
May gusto ka bang batiin sa mga nanonood?
Binabati ko first of all si God sa panalo, si Governor Dennis Deta Pineda, at saka yung mga family ko nanonood sa bahay, tsaka si Trisha, and yung mga teammates at saka coaches ko.
Now on the other hand is June Roque with 18 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Now my question is, how does it feel on being a back-to-back Sinag Best Player?
Yun nga, sobrang saya. And yun, importante na nanalo kami. Ang dami pa namin kulang sa team and gagawin namin yung mga kaya namin.
May gusto ka bang batiin at pasalamatan?
Ang unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa panalo namin ngayon and kay Gog, kay Boss Superman, Madam Darna, and sa mga mama, papa ko, kuya, si MJ, si Kate, si Kenneth, Cholo, Jansen, yun lang.
Once again, our Sinag Best Player of the Game. Now back to you, Coach Paul and Coach Alvin.
Thank you very much, Kim Advincula. And those were our Sinag players of the game, Carlo Ferreras and June Roque. And now that sets up a date on the finals ng ating 23 under. It will be the Pampanga Delta kontra dito sa Familia DC SLA International.
Again, that's a beautiful matchup to have this coming Sunday on our championship. It's just a one game. You have versus Ashton Andrews and Thomas Reed. versus ito, yun na nga yung dalawa. You have Roque and Ferreras has been the most stellar players for Pampanga Delta without Kevin Santos, who was injured nga on that second quarter. So expect a good final matchup this coming Sunday. So punta na kayo, manood kayo ng live dito.
Oo, punta kayo dito sa Brenzy Giao. Pero again, our final score 79-72. Our final game para dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center. It will be a battle between the two Kapampangan squads. Luwid 1 Kapampangan kontra dito sa Apalit. I love it when we come back.